So you guys all know that I got a new camera recording my whole video now. My new video, mainly newer videos, and the quality doesn't look as good as like the iPhone, but it also does look much more smoother and better than the iPhone. Well, this camera is a Sony Alpha 6300, and I generally don't like this camera much. I'm actually currently borrowing this camera until I get a new camera. But today is the day where a new step begins for this channel, because we have actually gotten a better camera. Nikon Z52. And today we're going to be unboxing it. So, comes with USB-C to C. The Sony doesn't come with this one, but this Sony came out in 2016. So, it's Type-C. All this is like registration for this camera thing. It's gotta register it. User's manual. So, I am definitely gonna register this camera under my name. Okay, so let's pull this one out. Look at that. Look at that. Let's start with the strap. This Sony never came with a strap. That's what I genuinely hated a lot about this camera. It didn't came with a strap. And here is the strap. Looks nice and beautiful. Clean. This should be our battery for this thing. And look at that. Nikon battery. This should be our lens. And it is. Wow, they protect these things a lot. Let's put that down. Let's go to the main event. Anything else? Not here. Nope. Nope. Just put this in here. This. Alright, to the main event. So, take it out of the bubble wrap. Take it out of the foam. Look, it even has the cap. This is. Wow. Look at that. I wasn't expecting the camera to be this big. Lens. How does this lens? Alright, like that. Boom. Clicked on. This is a beefy boy. What I can say, this is a mad beef. Down here should be the battery compartment. That's really nice. That's really nice. Look at that. That's super nice. Alright. Let's put our battery. Hopefully it has a little bit of charge. Wow. This is definitely an upgrade from the Sony one. Oh. Look at that. And it flips too. This will be genuinely so nice for recording now. I can actually put the screen like this while I'm recording. Alright. Let's turn this bad boy on. The battery's really low. Really flat. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Before taking photos, rotate this. Alright, cool. I have worked with Nikon before. Just not this model. And wow. That's nice. That's really nice. Oh yeah, it goes sideways and stuff. Ooh. Alright. Yeah. I forgot what this is called. But yeah, it looks really nice. The screen in here looks really nice. It looks better than the Sony one. Hopefully this will go well. This camera will serve me very well for the next few years on YouTube. And genuinely just recording mainstream videos. We need to plug this out. Oh, we're okay. So let's see what's the ports. Mini HDMI and USB-C. Microphone and headphone jack. It's just been demo. It's being demo. Okay. Wow. Okay. But yeah, I gotta charge this bad boy up. It's big. It's bigger than the Sony one. What I can say.